All right, without any delay, I'd like to invite upon our first keynote speaker, Anannya Chowdhury. She's a GenAI developer advocate at AWS. Anannya is a principal-level data scientist and architect with over 8 years of experience building enterprise-grade AI systems that bridge deep technology and real-world business needs. An alumna of IIT Madras, she works extensively across GenAI, large language models, and scalable ML systems with experience spanning BFSI, healthcare, travel, and retail. We are delighted to have her with us today as she shares her perspectives on India builds in the era of GenAI and Agentic AI. With a loud round of applause, can we invite on stage Anannya?
Hello and namaskaram, Kochi. It's a great time to be here in Kochi when India is building with AWS. Today, I'll be talking to you about how India is reshaping the world. So, not long back, we were known as the back office of the world. Why? Because we were maintaining the code for the world. Then we moved on to be known as the startup factory of the world, because we were building for billions. And now we are entering a third act. We are going to be known as the AI factory of the world. And that's because we are building AI ecosystems. And this vision is possible because just last week, Amazon reaffirmed its commitment to invest $35 billion in Indian AI ecosystems. But this is not just about building data centers, not just about building any data offices. It's about democratizing AI for the billions of world users, that too from the Indian ecosystem. And we moved on from generative chatbots to AI agents. Why? The generative AI was your passenger. It was helping you read emails. It was helping you summarize your emails. But the agentic AI is acting as your co-pilot. It is reading through your emails. It is summarizing the emails. But at the same time, it is looking for that one missed delivery. It is looking for how to negotiate that delivery by going through the inventory, by going through the different tasks it can do. Then it sends out a refund email, it sends out an apology email, and it does it all autonomously. But while we talk about building agentic AI systems, it's complex when we productionize them. And that is why at AWS, we build a place so you can build your agents. You can build your own agentic workflows securely and reliably. This is possible because AI provides you with different paths, different workflows. You can start as easy as Hero, which is an IDE and also a CLI, helping you to ideate and plan your agentic workflows. You can start with a very simple prompt and turn it into actionable code. It helps you frame your documentations, your architectures, and your tasks that you need to do before you actually begin coding. And then it moves codes to completions. For building the agents, you start with strands agents, which helps you build a single agent, build agents with tools, and also multi-agent interactions. And by doing these, you can deploy all your multi-agents or your single agent with Bedrock Agent Core, where you can do your orchestrations of your agents, you can monitor And you can also customize your agents and how they interact with each other. So let's talk about a few customers who are already sweating up these frameworks and these agents. Starting with Apollo Tires. You must be thinking that agentic AI is only for the Silicon Valley startups. But no, look here at Apollo Tires, who is already breaking this barrier. So whenever a machine goes down in Apollo Tires, a systems engineer spent 7 hours to go through production backlogs, IoT logs, manual records, and issue books to figure out what that one key error is, which is breaking down their presses. So Apollo Tires went ahead and they built an agent called as Manufacturing Reasoner. And that actually goes through all these logs, backlogs, finds out the problems, and then also resolves those problems. It is taking the action and on behalf of the production engineer. This is how India is building. And Apollo Tires is reaffirming that vision where it says that India can build creative solutions. So with this, they dropped their RCA time from 7 hours to 10 minutes, and they reduced the human effort that was getting input by 88%. Again, all through Amazon Bedrock and Strands agents. While we talk about the heavy industries, we should also look at the health tech startup Healthify Me, which also uses Amazon Bedrock, Bedrock Agent Core, and other solutions of AWS to empower this vision. They had a very keen problem of providing one-on-one coaching and personalized diet plans to their 40 million customer base. And that too at an affordable price point and at the click of a button. And they made it possible by coming up with RIA 2.0, which is a GenAI nutritionist. And they built it with AWS. This GenAI nutritionist takes care of the Indian diet nuances, the cultural heritages, and also takes care of the personal choices of an individual and lets the human coaches focus on the emotional complex support that an individual requires when they have registered on this platform. With the solution, they were able to handle 10x queries that a human coach could do. And also, they were able to take care of all the Indian diet nuances, whether you are a vegetarian, whether you are an eggitarian, whether you are a non-vegetarian. Now it has also started suggesting vegan diets. So this is how India is building. At AWS, we believe that AI should be inclusive and accessible to all. And that is why we built and launched our developer program focused on AI, AI for Bharat. And this we have launched on 11th of November. And as our famous community members and our famous developers have been a part of it. With the 5 weeks that we have spent in this program, in the learning phase, we were able to achieve 20,000 registrations, and 2,500 developers actually did hands-on Bedrock workshops and Strands workshops to get to know about AI, to get to know about GenAI, but at the same time build end-to-end solutions, serverless and agentic. Along with this, we are also running Keto Heroes Challenge, and this is not another POC. It's to build end-to-end solutions on very small tasks, like lazy automation, mixing data with music, And we have over 700 submissions of different creative solutions on our platform. With this AI for Bharat, we are ensuring that GenAI does not restrict itself to boardrooms, but it reaches every nook and corner of India, every classroom, and every organization, so that it empowers every builder to envision their solutions with AI. There's a famous saying in Kochi about the backwaters. It's calm, but it's very deep. And that's how the Kerala tech ecosystem is. You might be quiet, but your engineering talent is deep, and it's world class. And the solutions you build are way beyond praise. So today, my challenge to you is to build solutions on AWS with ideas that you have reimagined with AI. Don't just build a POC. Don't just build any other experimentation that you want to do. Build solutions that can actually make and solve a purpose. Build a solution and an agent that can help your farmers at YNR see and reimagine the global market prices. Build an agent that makes your SMEs experts in global trades. Build solutions that show performance, that show scalability, that ensure it's highly secure, and build solutions that govern your use cases. And this is all possible with the different services that we have at AWS. The future of India is not only about building solutions which are sitting in silo. It's about building agents that are going to work together, that are going to communicate with each other. And this is how we can ensure the Indian AI ecosystem thrives year after year. Thank you so much. Let's build now.
Thank you so much, Ananya. Folks, we have some time for taking questions. Anybody who has any questions, please go ahead.
Quick question to everyone. Have you built or gone through any recent reinvent launches that happened? Maybe have you tried Kiro? Have you tried Kiro's powers, Kiro automation, anything? Anyone has tried Kiro here? With a raise of hands? Amazing. I know you, Adit. What do you like about Kiro? Awesome. Awesome. Someone raised a hand here. Can I?
Just to add on, I like the spec-driven approach of Kiro.
You like the spec-driven approach of Kiro.
It makes my job easier. Majority of the time when I develop any application, instead of giving a generic prompt, if I have JSON which I can upload and ask the agent to do the job for me, it does very good. I think it is good.
Thank you. Yeah. And just as my friend here told, that Kiro actually helps him minimize his time with spec-driven coding. It actually makes my life easier too, when I can just chat with it and convert my simple instructions into code. And it's not just any code, it's production-ready code. Someone here raised their hand when we talked about Kiro. What do you like about Kiro? Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Yes, so Kiro starts with your planning phase, converts it into design phase and then moves into the implementation phase, restructuring the way you develop, and it helps you end to end. Any further questions anyone has about any other solution or any other thoughts you have about Agentic AI, GenAI?